Hi guys, good day to all. Today day 3, we are step up into the HTML like a front end basic starting from this point. So today we are seeing the HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language. This is not a programming language. It doesn't have a logic and functions, but it's a skeleton of the human body. Like it's a code architect of the old skeleton body. It is, for example, we say it as a blueprint of the house. So it is a skeletal body structure. It means the content meaning should have the order like a button, division, it having some tags. The accessibility depends upon the HTML structure to navigate a accessible UX. And as the Google reads the HTML to rank up the pages like proper tags should be search engine should understand the content. So you must give it the proper HTML tags. The foundation of the HTML is come before the CSS styling and JavaScript behavior. The HTML it doesn't have no website. So HTML is a basic and skeleton model of the all code architect. The basic page designs of the comes under the skeleton page like a doc type, which HTML tells the before the HTML5, which is the current version we are using. The HTML tags is a basic like HTML root tags and add len it for a language and header tag, title, meta chassis and meta name like the link. If these kind of the wordings, you must give the header tags as well as the footer tags. According to body tag, it is the visible content goes there with everything users see in the inside the body. What are the as I said before, header tag and footer tag, using the body tag which goes the content visible to the inside of the body. Now coming upon the important part like a semantic tab. It has a lot of tags like header, navigation, main, section, article, aside and footer. Header file is mostly used for top section, usually logo for navigation and navigation links for the menus and main link for primary content of the page. Only one per page. The section tag it's the thematic group of the content like features what we are included in that code and to making the attractive website. It's come to interlink of the user interface. Article is self-contained content. An example like blog post or advertisement, you need to use the article tag. Next, aside, it's a sidebars and related links. It is a non-main content but is a majorly used for the code to architect a structure. And footer tag, it's a bottom section to copyright links as well as whatever the for example the 2020 take all rights or reserved. That means the important taglines used in the footer tag. So these are the main criterias for the semantic tags. You must note it down what are the tags has been given in the flowchart. Semantic tags are mostly help the user to understand the layouts and Google understand the layout of the CEO like semantic tags as I said before. It is a screen readers to understand the layout for accessibilities. These are the main content. Next we come upon the common content tags like heading, paragraphs, links, images, button and division span. Heading is come under the H1 to H6. It is used for H1 the once per page. The main content title supports SEO. Paragraph means using a P tag used for text blocks. Links we are using a tag for connecting pages. Images like image src equals to quotes and alter equal to quotes. These and all the text supports accessibility. Images and buttons are the same actually. The button should be tagged, it's a button itself. Used for an action, real button for keyboard accessible. And division tag using for generic container, there is no semantic meaning. There is no other tag fits. The span means inline container for styling a small chunks or text. Next we come up on the last and the final HTML, CSS and JS trio. It is a main, the skeleton, skin cloths and aftertooth. Brain of the muscle, it's known as JavaScript and the teamwork fits all together to make a beautiful website. So it is the trio of the website main mantra actually we are told in the. And next the few golden rules like a nesting, indentation, closing tags, lowercase tags and heading best practice. These are the golden rules for the good HTML pages. So now we see the what is a visual criteria under the hypertext markup language. Using the clean look, modern feel, use icons, professional color palette, good visual hierarchy and beginner friendly layout and finally the organization around the center. It should be a radial one. So now see the live example, like I just created a VS Code using the HTML. What are the saying as before in mind map? I just created one code. You may able to see or visible, like we need to create a e-commerce website. So the outer interference of the HTML, we are using the all type of sectional tags, semantic tags, header and footer tags, header, main, section and article, aside and footer. These are the main tags we are using there. It is very easy to understand and modify it whatever you want. You just visible to the website, so you just modify it as you want. You just see the code, it is easily to understand. You may able to see the all type of tags which we defined before, like link and title bar and whatever it is. So I just modify my number first. It be given yourself, and whatever it may be you may change it. It's very easy to understand. First you need to read the line by line code, what are the tags has been given each and line section, and semantic tags for better user interference. It's a purpose of the content. And next we need to modify or add the reviews of the customer, because every e-commerce website there is a must to be the reviews of the customer should buy the products more, and what are the flats and offer gift, and what are the app to user friendly, and you need to write a review. No, so it is a simple content. I just add the one more review for that. Like that you need to add a tag and put a text. This is a very skeletal model like hypertext markup language, very easy. It is a root for all architect of the program as well as code. Whatever you need to modify it, you must save the code every changes. So it is very important for developers. So it is a key. So you must save it. Whatever you need to change it in the code, you must do it save after. Next I going to add some another category. HTML is important, nothing but the tags only. You need to put a correct tag, and whatever the content should be right, whatever you want. I need to modify and give added links to website. I'd create a huge and highlighting model. I need to add some more ones. It is a simple and elegant code to easily understand the skeletal bodywork of the hypertext markup language. So now we run the code, see the output. Actually we are seeing a link folder also. So as of now we are coding no. So we see the output. Ta-da! Our website has been open. See the all we are written in the code. It just fetch the all contents. It make a beautiful skeleton model of the website. See whatever we are changes the number, and we added some content. We are using the email ID for subscription. These and all we are seeing in upcoming videos, how the database has to store and fetch the client details and store in the backup. We are using the database like MongoDB, whatever may be. We are seeing the upcoming videos how they store and how it's connected to the HTML, CSS and JavaScript to the database. It's look like a nice, literally. We are going to, and after the subscription, and see what are the changes we have made it, like products, categories. It is a criteria we need to modify it as we want. So now see the code. It was very easy. You just go through it fully. If you have any doubts, just put it in the command box. I just clear it off. Or else we are conducting a live session after 1 week, the task reminder. So you just in session, you may, what are the doubts you may ask. I just clear it off. So thank you for watching guys. Hope you understand clearly.